I run Sherman here and I'm going to do a review of the Philips Zoom NiteWhite take-home teeth whitening kit. So I got this from my dentist. As you guys know, I do braces, and today I'm doing this review on the Asus Zenfone 8 Flip. This is my last review on the Asus Zenfone 8 Flip before I return it. I figured that, hey, why not use it for something that's going to showcase the 8K so that you can see my teeth, right? So in the box you will get this some sort of like retainers, right, and some syringes. You actually get 2 packs of this, right, and the instruction manual inside. So basically it whitens your teeth. The dentist can do it for you, but this one is a take-home kit, so you get the strings like this, and then you have to manually put this cap, like the top part on, and then what you do is the dentist will make these retainers for you together with the Philips Zoom kit, right? And you get retainers like this. The difference is that it's unlike standard retainers. If you look at it, you can see like the curves here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but let's do this. See, that's a problem. This Zenfone 8 Flip doesn't seem to want to focus, right? Maybe it's focusing on my face, so let's move up. Let's move my face out there. Yeah, there you go. So there you can see this. Oh sheesh, my face is there again. So so you can see that it has those little like shapes that will fit your teeth, and the reason for that is because you don't want the this whitening fluid to come out. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this whitening fluid on it, right? I'm gonna move my face out there so you guys can see. So you put this whitening fluid on the side of this tray, or I won't call them retainers, so it's like a tray. Don't put too much, right? Because it will actually make your teeth painful, and that is a huge problem, right? So I put it on the tray like this. You see, just little drops, and after you have put these little drops on it, you can put onto your teeth. You can see how white is it. I've used like 5 of this, and I don't know why the camera is stuttering, but you guys know that problem. I already reported, but it's Asus Zenfone 8 Flip stuttering problem, and it seems to be having that problem again. So there you go. You can see I put little drops, and now I'm gonna put it onto my teeth like this. I'm supposed to leave it for 3 hours, so I'm gonna leave it for 20 minutes because it's really painful. So if you guys are trying to get this, just remember it's really painful, so don't put it for more than 20 minutes, especially for the first time. For me, I wouldn't recommend it. Like it doesn't really get it so white, right? So you look at my teeth here. This is the one with the whitening fluid, and below you can see it's not that white. I've been using it for like a couple of months now, more than 6 months. So you have to do this every day, like 3 hours each time, but I need to do it for 20 minutes. So maybe it's not ideal, but it's like I said, it's painful. So again, I would not recommend this product, but well, I just wanted you guys to see it. There you go. Oh, I'm bleeding here. There you go. And this is 8K video. So I hope you guys like this little review, and also the simultaneous review with the Asus Zenfone 8 Flip. So I'll see you guys. Thanks again, guys. If you do like this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks, guys. Bye.